Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. One of my favorite things when I was a kid was fun bandages. So having a nice fun set for my kids is really cool. The set is by BioSwiss and they are super fun. We have the food and animal set, and as you can see, there is such a variety and they are so bright and colorful. What kid wouldn't want to wear these? Who am I kidding? What adult wouldn't want to wear these? I was really impressed with how long it stayed on. This looks like it's peeling, but let me tell you, this bandage had been through a lot. I had cooked, I had washed my hand about 20 times while I cooked dinner, and it still was stuck on around where the cut was. Very impressed. When you put them on, they feel flush with the skin. They are super flat. So I have great confidence that even when my kids are washing their hands, they will stay on very well. We always have to kiss a boo-boo on my daughter, and so now I can put little lips on, and it is an extra little kiss for her. It was so cute when I put this on the cut on her thumb. She put it right to her mouth and kissed it herself. Super cute. The only problem you're going to have with these is they are so fun and so cute. Your kids are going to want to use them even if they don't have a cut. If you're looking for a super fun set of bandages, this one is just for you and your family. And that's my point of view.